May 7, 2025. South Asia is once again on edge. Indian Rafale jets, symbols of modern warfare, enter Pakistan administrated Kashmir. Hours later, shocking news break. Pakistan has allegedly shot down one of India's most advanced fighters. At 4:30 a.m., Indian Air Force Rafales launched Operation Sindoor, targeting terror camps across the line of control with cutting-edge Scud missiles and AASM bomb. India sought to deliver a powerful message, but this time Pakistan was ready. The Rafale made by France's default aviation was hailed as a game changer for India. Stealthy radar cross-section, 2,000 plus kilometer range with air refueling. Meteor behind visual range missiles, Spectra electronic warfare suite. India invested billions to field 36 Rafales, seen as the backbone of its air power. Then comes Pakistan's defense preparation. After 2019's Balakot airstrikes, Pakistan overhauled its integrated air defense system. It upgraded its radar coverage, strengthened its air force with JF-17 Thunder Block 3, F-16 Block 52S, HQ-9P long-range SAMs, Turkish-built drones and jammers. Radar installation in Sialkot, Muzaffarabad and Skardu had overlapping coverage, creating a deadly trap for incoming aircraft. As Indian Rafales crossed into contested airspace, Pakistan scrambled two formations, JF-17s and F-16s. Guided by real-time AWACS feeds, they locked onto the Rafale formation. According to sources within Pakistan Air Force, one Rafale was engaged near Atmakam. A radar-guided MRAM missile from an F-16 reportedly struck the aircraft, forcing the pilot to eject. A second Rafale was damaged but managed to return. Hours later, footage surfaced online, charred debris resembling Rafale parts, an IAF insignia, and alleged wreckage near Neelam Valley. Pakistani military sources released heat signatures and radar logs. But India's response was swift. The Press Information Bureau denied any loss, calling it fake news. Was this just a battle of narratives, or had the myth of Rafale finally met its match? The downing of a Rafale, if verified, would be the first confirmed kill of the aircraft in combat globally. Within hours, the news went viral in Pakistan. Social media hailed the PAF. Defense analysts in Islamabad claimed it as a Balakot reverse movement. Meanwhile, India maintained silence except for a few denials. Diplomatic corridors buzzed with tension, while both militaries moved assets closer to the border. However, France, the Rafale manufacturer, demanded an independent investigation. China praised Pakistan's readiness. The US offered to mediate, but was cautious due to F-16's involvement. If a Rafale truly went down, it could damage Dassault's reputation and trigger questions in the Indian parliament. In modern warfare, perception is power. Whether or not the Rafale was shot down, Pakistan has projected an image of air defense superiority, turning India's crown jewel into a cautionary tale. Was this a tactical win or a strategic message to New Delhi? As the dust settles over the Himalayas, one lesson is clear. Even the most advanced jets are vulnerable in the fog of war. And in the sky, supremacy is never permanent. It's earned every mission, every sort.